Oh God, I hit the block.
What you doing, little pal? Hero.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Orange Wire's Garage. We brought the big Haas 1969 Ford F100 outside. In the last video, we took a break from eating all that rust and we worked on that seat and we got that thing looking OEM. It looks so good, we just sit on it and pretend we're driving this truck. But what we want to do today, we got this bed all loose. We took the whole inside of this thing out. The floor's out, the fenders are off. Everything is ready to come off because we got our new bed sitting right here. We need to test fit this thing. It come off a 76 and I know a bunch of y'all are saying it ain't gonna fit. The measuring stick says it might not fit. We're gonna make it fit. So why don't we stop talking and set this bed off and set this new one on and see how it looks.
All right, guys, so we ate our Wheaties. We got the old bed off. It was kind of light. We put this one on. It almost whooped us, but we got it on where we think it fits pretty well. Couldn't be happier with it. I believe with some modification, it is gonna fit. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take this bed back off. We're kindly hungry. It's getting supper time. We're gonna eat some rust and work on this frame and the cab again. So let's get started.
It is the next day here. We absolutely love this truck. We're going to get started on this cab corner. We bought us a couple of new ones, and this is the outer cab corner here. This one's got a little bit of damage on it. It's got a little bit of rust on it. Got a little bit going on with it. So we're going to get us a mark here. We're going to cut this old stuff out. We're going to test fit our new cab corner. We're going to deal with that inner structure. We're going to get some big things accomplished on this truck. So let's get started and let's get it done. So just like that, we cut that old cab corner off. We got our new cab corner all test fit here. We replaced all that inner structure with a piece of the door we cut off. Hey, it was good for 50 years on the door, maybe good for 50 more underneath. But what we got to do is we got to drill some holes for some rosette wells all around this edge. And we'll have to grind this down and get it ready for a weld. But I think the first thing to do will be get the PR15 out, get everything painted inside nice and rust proof before we go ahead and try to weld everything up. So why don't we go ahead and do that first? We'll let all that dry and then we'll come back and we'll weld this sucker in. It's looking really good, getting super excited. So let's get to it and let's get it done. Man, and just like that, we worked really hard and we got this cab corner replaced. Everything turned out really, really good with this thing. I'm really happy with the way it all turned out. We got it all welded up. It's ready for just a little skim coat of Bondo on there. And that's gonna surely take care of that for a long, long time. Hopefully 50 more years. And you know our philosophy is, why do one when you can do two for twice the price? We went ahead and cut out this old rusty cab corner. We cut out that old rusty inner structure. We fabricated us some inner structure out of the door bottom that we cut out of that door. We repurposed that stuff. Well, guess what? While we had that 415 now, we picked us up a fuel tank for $40. This sucker's gonna go right back behind the seat just like Ford made it in 1969. I think that's gonna be the best solution for us. Don't wanna bore you with welding in the passenger side cab corner because it's gonna be a direct opposite of the driver's side, but we'll show you what it looks like in the next video. We're getting super excited This truck is getting ready for paint coming soon. Like, stay tuned. We're gonna start getting it ready for paint. I hope this is gonna be our last big step of eating on the rust and welding this cab corner in. Fingers crossed that we don't find anything else hidden and we can just start stripping all this paint off, get this thing in primer and get it painted, make it look absolutely beautiful. But if you like this old truck and you like this content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Thanks to all the subscribers and thank you for all the wonderful comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time. In this old 1969, we're out.